Revo Uninstaller is a powerful third-party uninstaller that can help you thoroughly remove software from your PC. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use Revo Uninstaller. Visit the official website of Revo Uninstaller and download the latest version of the software. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Revo Uninstaller on your PC. Once installed, launch Revo Uninstaller from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. After opening Revo Uninstaller, you will see a list of all the programs installed on your PC. The list provides information about the program name, publisher, installation, date and size. Locate the program you want to uninstall from the list. Click on the program to select it. With the program selected, click on the uninstall button located at the top of the Revo Uninstaller window. Revo Uninstaller will start the uninstallation process with the program's standard uninstaller. Follow the standard uninstaller prompts, if any, until the program is removed. After the standard uninstaller finishes, Revo Uninstaller will prompt you to perform a scan to search for leftover files and registry entries. Click Scan to proceed. Revo Uninstaller will provide a deep scan to find files and registry items related to the uninstalled program. The scan may take some time depending on the program's size and complexity. Once the scan is complete, Revo Uninstaller will display the scan results, categorized as leftovers and registry items. Carefully review the items listed under each category. Check the boxes next to the leftover files and folders you want to remove. Click the Delete button to remove the selected leftover items. Be cautious when dealing with registry entries. Only remove entries related to the uninstalled program. Check the boxes next to the registry items you want to delete. Click the Delete button to remove the selected registry items. After removing leftover files and registry entries, Revo Uninstaller will confirm the completion of the uninstallation process. Click Finish to close Revo Uninstaller. Revo Uninstaller provides a thorough and efficient way to uninstall software and clean up leftover files and registry entries. However, exercise caution when using the program and ensure that you are only removing items related to the uninstalled software to avoid any unintended consequences on your system.